Hala. Makakaulala talaga ito, guys. So, not all women can do the 90s. Not all. Emotional support. Offer encouragement, empathy, and validation, creating a safe and supportive environment. Ando from Miss Youth. Hello, Wishy. So, personal growth. Support each other's goals, learning and self-improvement, fostering growth and development. So, yung unconditional. Have you received unconditional love, guys? Embrace each other's imperfection. That is the unconditional love. Although they said only God can give us unconditional love, but there is also unconditional love, like that one. Embrace each other's imperfections and accept each other's fully without judgment. Ganon yun. So, if that person do that to you, you will feel loved, diba? Ano important yan for our sa atong sarili, diba? Remember, quality time is about being present, engaged, and genuine in your interactions, nurturing a deeper and more fulfilling relationship. Sana all may fulfilling relationships kayo, ha? So, ganoon yon. Of all the things that we mentioned, ganoon na yon. Dog, I'm waiting flowers from you. Shh, don't tell Scott, nandiyan na si Scott. Oh, ibang Scott pala yun. Si Scott White pala yun. Nako. Makatawa. Should have arrived by now. Oh, already there, the flower. How many flowers? 12 or 1 or 2 or 3? I remember when I was at high school, if there's that was a Valentine's Day, not a Mother's Day, because we're a student, right? So the classmates, they will give the flowers to their crush, like one flower. If one flower only, it's not so much kilig moments, but if they give 3 flowers, because they said 3 flowers is I love you, like that. Kaya 3 is the perfect. Wishy, I'm thinking you're receiving the flower from Dog so that you can give to Scott. Oh, so that is the terrible thing. Terrible, really. Take flower to Scott and give to take flower to Dog and give to Scott. Terrible things. Oh my gosh. So the price there is cut. Okay. the price tag. So what do you mean by the price in relationship? Agoy na nasa tani puro na punta relationship, guys, because we already finished the Mother's Day. Wishy from Mrs. Margie. So what do you mean by the price in the relationship? In the context of relationships, the price refers to a rewarding and fulfilling aspects of being in a healthy, loving partnership. Partnership. It's the benefits and joys that come from sharing a deep connection with someone, such as emotional support and validation, unconditional love and acceptance, trust and reliability, shared laughter and happiness. Number 5, personal growth and self-improvement. Number 6, sense of belonging and companionship. Number 7, intimacy and physical connection. Do you have that, guys? 8, shared experiences and memories. Encouragement and motivation. Number 10, feeling seen, heard, and understand. So, that's the word price in the relationship. Yung premyo ba? I don't know if that we call it, it's like a trophy, it's a prize, di ba? Ganoon yun. So the prize represents the treasure that comes from nurturing and investing in a relationship, making it a source of strength, comfort, and joy in your life. It's the payoff for the effort and commitment you put into building